Hi, this is Mike from Rockville, here today to introduce you guys to the brand new all-in-one compact RW10CA. It's an all-in-one 10-inch under car seat subwoofer designed to fit in the tightest of places. Check out this next video for more information. This unit has a 10-inch slim profile Rockville subwoofer with a custom molded front grille. It comes equipped with a built-in 800 watt powered amplifier. Amplifiers come with a PWM MOSFET power supply, fully equipped with ground, remote, and power at 12 volts. On the side of each unit, you will find low-level RCA input, high-level speaker-level inputs, adjustable input sensitivity for gains, bass boost variable controls from 0 to 18 dB 45 Hz, low-pass filter 50 to 150 Hz, phase shift of 0 to 180 degrees, and also an advanced auto turn-on feature. This system has a thermal protection unit and a soft delayed remote turn-on. Use the supplied bass knob to have full control of your bass in the driver's seat. This unit comes with removable rubber isolating mounting legs for a secure and easy fit. Rockville's active under-seat sub is ultra slim to fit almost anywhere in your car. Our units measure 2.7 inches high, 12.4 inches long by only 13.4 inches wide.
This is Pioneer's TSW X10CA, and this is Pioneer's TSW X12CA. This is a 10-inch and a 12-inch sealed enclosure self-amplified subwoofer. Each one has its own high-power Class D amplifier built right in. Let's take a look, and I'll show you what's in the box. Both of these self-amplified subwoofers have the same accessories in the box. First is the mounting hardware included with each subwoofer. There are two heavy metal mounting brackets and mounting screws to securely mount the woofer in the vehicle. This is the wire harness included with each subwoofer. The yellow wire needs to be extended and connected directly to the vehicle's battery. The black wire here is the ground wire and needs to be connected to metal in the body or the frame of the vehicle. The blue wire is the system remote control lead and needs to be connected to the in-dash receiver either directly or through a relay, and this will switch the subwoofer on when the in-dash receiver is switched on. Here's the signal input. If you're using RCA connections directly from an in-dash receiver, just plug your RCAs in right here. If you're using speaker level inputs, cut off these RCA connections and make the speaker level connections through these same wires. Here is the bass level knob. You can see it's very slim and can be easily mounted under the dash without worry of banging your knee against it when you move in and out of the vehicle, and mounting screws are included in the hardware pack. The bass level knob connects to the subwoofer amplifier through this cable. This cable's about 18 feet long or so for very flexible installation. And here is the owner's manual and the warranty card. The innovative trapezoid shape of the enclosures is designed for high rigidity and to reduce internal standing waves, while also increasing installation flexibility. These subs can be installed freely in the cabin, under the seats, or repositioned with the subwoofer firing toward the rear of the vehicle or toward the front of the vehicle, or lying on its back and pointing up. Whatever works best for you in your vehicle with your favorite music. The enclosure is fully carpeted, creating a non-slip and very durable and scratch-resistant surface. Let's take a look at the amplifier and control panel. Now, this is the same on both the 10 and the 12-inch subs. This is the gain control. Use this control to match up with the output of your in-dash receiver. This is the crossover frequency selector. The amplifier has its own LPF, or low-pass filter, built in. This means that only low frequencies will be played back by the subwoofer. Choose the crossover frequency that works best for your music. This is the bass boost level, and you can set this from 0 to 12 dB. Now, this can also be controlled by the wired remote bass level knob that can be mounted remotely in the vehicle. This is the bass boost frequency adjustment. Choose between 40 and 100 Hz for the best effect for your favorite style of music. The white plug here is the system wire harness. Plug in the power, the ground, and system control and signal input here. And this is the 20 amp fuse here at the amplifier. This is the input signal selector. The sub can operate on either RCA level input with a direct connection to the in-dash receiver, or with speaker level input. Set this switch according to your particular installation. This is the phase control switch. Now, it can be set to either normal or reverse phase. Try both of these settings in your vehicle. Depending on several factors, including subwoofer placement in the vehicle, one of these settings may sound significantly better than the other. And choose the one that works best for you. If you choose to use it, the wired bass level knob connection cable will plug in right here. And here is the power indicator. The indicator will light up when the system is switched on. This is the TSW X12CA. This is a 10-inch sealed enclosure subwoofer with a built-in Class D amplifier. The amp has 1100 watt max output power and 300 watts nominal output power. The system features a unique trapezoid shape for rigidity and to reduce internal standing waves. The box measures 17 3/4 by 9 3/8 by 13 1/4. It can operate with RCA or speaker level input, and a remote bass knob is included. This is the TSW X12CA. This is a 12-inch sealed enclosure subwoofer with a built-in Class D amplifier. The amplifier has 1300 watts max power output and 350 watt nominal output power. The system features a unique trapezoid shape for rigidity and to reduce internal standing waves. The box measures 20 3/4 by 11 by 15. It can operate with RCA or speaker level input, and a remote bass knob is included. And that is Pioneer's TSW X12CA and TSW X10CA, sealed enclosure, self-amplified subwoofers, and what's in the box.
The Rockville RVB12.1A is a powerful 12-inch active-powered subwoofer. Just place it in your trunk, it wires up easily, and in just minutes you'll have incredible, deep bumping bass. The built-in Class AB 300-watt RMS amplifier features a high-speed MOSFET power supply and audiophile quality bipolar output transistors. The amplifier features a fully adjustable electronic subwoofer crossover and 7-volt gain adjustment control for custom tuning. The enclosure has a powerful 12-inch 300-watt RMS woofer that features a 2-inch high-power 4-layer voice coil. The woofer cone is made of Kevlar reinforced pulp and trimmed with an inverted carbon graphite dust cap. In addition, the woofer features a double laminated butyl rubber surround that is double stitched to the cone for incredible durability and increased excursion capability. The enclosure is computer tuned to match the woofer for optimum output. The aero-tuned bass reflex enclosure puts out some serious bass. You can corner load the enclosure in your trunk and get an extra 3 decibels of bass SPL over standard style enclosures. The back of the enclosure is slanted at 15 degrees, so it fits snugly in your trunk up against the rear of the back seat and thereby taking up less trunk space. Covered in heavy-duty aviation-grade blue-black tweed carpet and embroidered with the Rockville logo, the RVB12.1A looks as good as it sounds. The woofer is protected from all the stuff flying around your trunk by a heavy-duty custom molded grille. Installation is easy. Input a single source directly from your head unit via RCA connections or via high-level speaker inputs with the included harness adapter. Then simply power, ground, and remote the unit as you would any amplifier and you are ready to go. So get the perfect combination of a great car audio mono bass amplifier with high power 12-inch woofer, all pre-assembled and wired in a tuned enclosure and ready to rock and roll. Enjoy your tunes!
Hey everybody, Joe from MTX Audio here again with you. We've been getting a lot of questions on our Facebook page and to our tech support. A lot of people are interested in our Terminator party pack, the 2 dual 12s in a sealed enclosure. A lot of people want to know how loud it is, so we said, hey, you know what? Let's test it out and show people how we do it. So, got my wife's car here. It's a 02 Monte Carlo with the Terminator box installed inside. Now we're currently running this off of a 300-watt amplifier. Over here we've got our TermLab sound testing equipment. That's a computer running the TermLab software connected to the internal mic. The mic is then attached to the inside of the windshield in the vehicle. What we're going to do is we're going to play a song for you. We're going to play Little John's Snap Your Fingers, and we're going to see what kind of SPL we can get from the enclosure. So let me shut this trunk and we'll see what we can do. Alright, so 127.9 dB, not too bad for a 2002 Monte Carlo using a factory radio with a prefab sealed enclosure. So I hope that this encourages you if you're getting into car audio. As you can see, you don't need a whole lot in order to make a lot of noise. Make sure that you're aware of your local city ordinances regarding noise. But if you want to be loud, this Terminator box is a great entry-level piece. Cost is great, sound is great, you're going to love it. If you have any questions, you want to know more, visit us at mtx.com. Call us at 1-800-CALL-MTX or visit us on Facebook. Until next time.